Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Chicken Jockey from the new Minecraft movie. If you guys have any other fun ideas from the new movie, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try to draw them. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with the Chicken Jockey from the Minecraft movie, let's begin with the eyes. So I want to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down, and then I'm going to bring it back here. They'll do the same thing, just kind of come down and then bring it back. Right here, let's draw a line that comes down and a line over here that's going to come down. Then we can make a tiny line here and a tiny line right here. Next, we'll draw a line underneath here, and we'll draw another line underneath here. Now I'm going to draw 1 and 2 lines here, and then 1 and 2 lines here. Then I'm going to draw a line here and a line here, and I'm going to color in most of this, and I'm just going to leave kind of like a little square white. So I'm going to color in most of that, leaving just a little square white. Next, let's draw a line that comes up and down, and one that comes up and down for the eyebrows. Now for the nose, we're just going to make a little line across. And I'm going to make 2 little bumps here. And we're just going to color that part in. Then we'll draw a little line around here. For the mouth, we're going to go down, and then up, and then back down. We'll take both of these lines down here. Then we're going to come up and down, and then connect right to here. Let's make some bumpy little lines for some teeth right here. And then we'll make some bumpy little lines to here, and then some little lines to here. Let's draw a wavy line underneath here. And then we're going to make a little smiley face shape for the chin. And a little curve. Next, let's draw a line down here, and a line that comes down here. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to bring this line down. We'll curve this out a little bit and come in, kind of curve this out and come in. We're going to bring this down and in, and then down and in. Now right here by the eyes, let's kind of bring these lines up a little bit, and we'll add a couple little extra lines in there for some wrinkles. And we'll add a couple little lines right here by these eyes. Next, he's got kind of like a Frankenstein hairdo. So what we want to do is we're just going to kind of make some little kind of zigzag lines that go all the way across. You can make these like different sizes, go in different directions. And then we're going to make these kind of do the same thing across the top, just kind of like a crazy zigzag line. I want to make a line that goes out and then down for the ear, and then out and down. And then I'm going to bring these zigzag lines down here too for like the sides of his hair. Now, starting here, I want to make the little chicken that he's riding. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to make a line that's going to come across. Then we're going to go down a little bit, down a little bit. We'll bring this line here, and then connect it for the top of the head. Next, we're going to make a line across. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up here. Then we're going to make a diagonal and a diagonal line. And then we can just connect this right here. Next, we're going to go down and down, and then over to here for part of the mouth. And we'll make two little lines for like the tongue, with a little line down the middle. Next, let's draw a square shape here for an eye, and then another square shape here for an eye. Then inside of here, we're going to make a little square shape and a little square shape. And then just like on our little character up there, we're going to color in most of this, and then we're just going to leave a little bit white, kind of like a little square. Now right here, I want to draw his hands. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make an oval shape like this, kind of where his thumb would be. Then we're going to curve a line down and up. We'll make another one that curves here. And then we'll make another little oval shape here. Let's bring this line down. We'll connect this finger to here. And we'll bring this to here. Next, I'm going to bring this down and over. And we'll kind of curve this here. We'll make another little line here, a little line here. Let's draw a little shape here. And then we're going to make a line that comes up and down. And then we're going to connect this to here. Bring this to here. And I'm going to bring this down. Next, let's make a little bit of an oval on the end of each finger for the nails. And we'll make a line across here. Let's do that same thing over here. We'll make like an oval shape. We'll make a curve like this. A curve here. And then a little oval here. We'll bring this down here. Bring this to here. Kind of connect it. And then we'll bring this to here. Make a couple curves. Come down and in, and then down and connect to here. Next, we're going to make some oval shapes for the nails. And we'll do one here too. And then I like to draw a line across and a little line here. Now right here, we're going to bring this line over and around. And we'll bring this up and bring this in. And we'll connect this down. We're going to make a little kind of zigzag shape for a tear in his shirt and a little one here. Then right here, we're going to go over and down, over and down. And then we're going to kind of bring this right to the chicken's beak. Do kind of that same thing here, over and down, and then connect it to here. We'll curve this and bring it to here for the shoe. Curve this and then bring it down. Then we'll add a line right across the bottom for the bottom part of the shoe. Next, I'm just going to make two little lines that come all the way down to the bottom of my paper. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and over for part of the chicken. We'll go down and over. I'll make a line that comes down and then back for the wing. Down and then back in for the wing. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. And then we're going to come down, over, and up here for the foot. And we'll make another line that's going to go down and connect. Then right here we're going to make a line that comes down to the bottom. We'll go over and then down again. We'll down at an angle and straight down. And then we're just going to connect here for the leg. And there you go. There is your drawing of a chicken jockey from the new Minecraft movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.